Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your TikTok account randomly signed you out, or maybe you can't log back in, or whatever the case is. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but most commonly, this may happen if you accidentally updated your TikTok account or updated your TikTok app and it randomly just signed you out. So, it's usually nothing more than that. So, typically, you just have to log back in. So, just click login right here, log back into your account, and you can essentially go ahead and just get access to your account again. You just want to keep in mind and ask yourself, did you go and update your TikTok account recently? If the answer is yes, then you're perfectly set. And when I mean TikTok account, I mean TikTok app. Did you update that recently? If the answer is yes, then you're set. If the answer is no, you haven't touched your phone, it randomly just signed you out, well, then what you might want to do is go ahead and either change the password of your TikTok account or log in via your email and log in again. And then, maybe turn on two-factor authentication or whatever else you can to essentially secure your account, because it may have been that somebody logged you into your specific TikTok account and maybe it logged you out for some reason. Now, this happens for a couple of reasons. TikTok actually did also mention in one of their articles. So if you just type in something like this, TikTok logged out, TikTok did actually push this thing out. It said TikTok may log a user out if someone else is trying to remove or activate a device from the app setting. It says, if you have not authorized this action, your account may have been hacked. Please change the password of your account immediately. So that is essentially the main thing you have to do in that specific case, is to change the password as soon as you log in. And then I would probably recommend turning on two-factor authentication for TikTok or your email or whatever other account that you have associated with your TikTok, account. This is a fairly common thing. It's very scary, but it's a very common thing, and it's so common that TikTok made their own page about it. So that's essentially all you have to do from what I've seen. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.